music with it. Okay, that's good. It's the same, but different sounding, different color. Now do you think I'm vlogging good? Now do you think I'm vlogging good?
You're vlogging really, really good. That's exceptional, Paris.
Thanks. What makes you happy?
Gonna share the gift of love. Will you be here on Christmas Eve? Here on Christmas Day with no one.
Hi everyone, it's nighttime now, and my mom's making a Christmas tree. This is time it's Christmas, and I got some decorations with me. But they're just over there because my mom said I can't. And look at that Christmas tree. Mike, can we show you guys a Christmas tree? Mike, I think you should take off the tags.
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
Let me do it first.
And this is what's gonna look at the end. And I got one of my decorations out already. This is Santa's mail. It's my mail book for Santa. And it can also open for my mail. And here's the inside. And I got a little card version. It says, Dear Santa, I have been good. Can the elves make what I want? I want jewelry, watch, magic mixie, and Hatchimals. Love. From Paris, kiss, kiss, kiss. And that's one part that you don't need to see. And that's all I have out. And the Christmas tree is done. I'm
Get the thing lang ka. Get the...
Scissors? Scissors?
No. The things that we...
Decoration?
Yeah.
I'm just going to get the decorations. I'll show you one by one.
Buti na lang talaga hindi yung sobrang malaki yung kinuha namin. No, really, this is perfect for the space that we have here.
So here I got the bag. It's a full bag. It's like Santa Claus's bag. I got this reindeer. I should not.
After you show, give it to Mama. After you show one by one, you put it on the floor, Mama.
And I got these stockings. It says Dear Santa. We have another one and it's the same. I got this hairband thing. This thing. I think it's a lamp. I'm not sure. But it's a lamp.
Snowman. Just put it here.
And that was the snowman. We got another one.
Santa.
And my favorite one, we got Santa. Oh my God, this Santa is so cute. Look at his little tree. Ding ding. La 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 la.
Thank you. This one is the cutest.
And we got these decorations. I got this.
Yeah, I think we needed more. Maybe here, honey. No.
My mom just did something funny. And here's our little decoration. And I want to hang this one on. Mike and I hang this on.
Thank you,
hang it?
Ling.
How do you hang on this?
Make sure it faces you. Beautiful. So excited.
And my sister's taking out this big one that's supposed to be on the jar. And it's this one. It even has some jingly stuff. And no plants. I'll get down to my mom. Mama!
I'll just put my door lang.
My mom is already putting some vitamins on.
Thank you, baby girl.
I'll show you. And I got one of these. Mommy! And I'll show you the whole thing.
Mama will put them up, okay?
That's the whole thing. And I'm gonna hang some of this on. And then you can watch me put it on. Mommy.
Yes.
Now I'm gonna put a star one. Let me see if I can get a star. I got a silver star. There's even
That's your
golden
tree,
ones
Lily.
in there too.
Lenny,
Is
this a tree?
All different colors.
Lynn, is that the Christmas tree?
Yes. Say yes, Daddy.
And I saw these are the presents. This silver present. Thank you. I'm gonna put down on too.
Speak once, you can put that up. This is the cutest.
I like the sand. That's my favorite.
Thank you, Lenny. Nak, give me that bag lang, be. Anak, that one. It's got the nicest ones.
Wait, there's another one.
Yeah.
That one. You can put that one on. And I got this present, and I really love this one too. It says Merry Christmas, and I love the wrappings. Very sparkly. Why did you put it on the tree?
Anak, not next to each other lang. It has to be...
Separated?
Yes, that's right. May tama ka!
Why did you?
Thank you, Ling Ling.
And I'm gonna get this golden star. That's a little bit golden. Or golden.
This is so...
And I'm gonna get a pink star now. And I got a pink star. Just look at that. It's shining.
Anak, give me all that stuff from that bag lang.
Now.
The one's got like the nice ones.
I want to take these. And I also got these ones too that I'm just going to put down here. And put these ones on.
See?
Here. And I got this guy. Or his second name. I have another one, but it's already up there. You can see it just
Thank you,
right.
baby girl.
Oh, Mike, can you move? Mike, can you move? They're trying to see the right. The hat thing right
Bit heavy.
there.
Thank you, baby girl.
I'm gonna put this one because this one is pretty cute. Oh, back. Oh, back.
It's a bit heavy.
What? Can I do? Right? It's not heavy, it's me. Just put it on. If it falls, it's fine. It's fine if it falls.
ring ring. Nak, wag lang. The paper lang.
I got one more here. So I'm gonna put this one on now. And just put the whole pile.
Well done, ring ring.
Did you do this?
Selene, did you do this? That's amazing.
Good job.
Aw, Lene. It makes me a bit happy. It's okay.
Try not to drop them all yet.
No. I'm trying to get that red. So I got a whole bunch in here. Okay, I'm going to show you now. I've got this beautiful gold Christmas tree that you didn't even show you. And you saw this because this was different color. This funky one. And the new one for today is the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Let's see if I can find a red Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Oh, this one's I got these Rudolphs. So I got two 4x50 ones, right like that. And I got green Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. There's another Christmas tree thing. I get another Rudolph. And I got this golden ball. Got this not rocky ball, but pink. This rocky ball again. And
But this one looks
dark
nice, the reindeer.
one.
She have gotten two.
There is reindeer here. I got green reindeer. Now you put this on. This one. No. Mine this one.
Yeah?
Mommy, this one. Yes. Beautiful. Thank me, Daddy. Mommy, I want to put a Christmas tree. Mommy, let's put a Christmas tree.
Go then. I was not making dinner. I used to go. Right.
Doing really well, Celine and Ate Paris. So proud.
And the Christmas tree looks like that. I think there's something else in here. We got our top of our Christmas tree. My sister top of our Christmas tree.
Oh, that's the lights that we're gonna put around there.
We're gonna do that a little later, but for now we're gonna do these. I wanna do the red-nosed reindeer. Oh, no. Wow, look at that. It looks so beautiful.
It's because you two made it, that's why.
No, because we want. Oh.
Oh,
It's okay. I want
it's alive.
it. We're gonna put green red-nosed reindeer again. We already got a green reindeer. I'm gonna get a pink one now.
Okay, baby.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, I got it.
This one's
Yeah.
very shiny. I want to make music with it. Okay, that's good. It's the same, but different sounding, different color. Now, do you think I'm vlogging good? Now, do you think I'm vlogging good?
You're vlogging really, really good. That's
Milo!
exceptional, Paris.
Oh no! Thanks. Oh no, Mommy! What makes you happy? I'll turn.
You. And Celine and Daddy. And my family.
That's my haircut. I put pink Rudolph the pink nose reindeer. Rudolph the golden nose reindeer. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. How we say it. And that's why we got lumbar here, because you can really see some of it, but this thing is... Oh,
Rudolph the red
sorry guys.
reindeer had a very shiny nose.
Okay, that's better.
And if you ever saw him, you will never see it below.
You and this, it is so cute, guys. And the Christmas tree's right there. You already saw it, and I'm back right here. And I got this present again, and I already got that one on.
Thank you, baby.
Yep, I already got that one on. But I want to show you one this time. I say, look at these stuff. These are the same. And I want to show you a different one. Show you a different one. So let me just do this. Oh my god, guys, another Christmas tree.
Thank you,
I'm gonna put this
baby.
one on. And the Christmas tree is very good, actually. And the tree's very good.
Yeah.
See?
It looks so beautiful, doesn't it?
That's just my favorite. Dude.
Woohoo!
Ho, ho, ho! And also my sister's job now. And also I got this pink star. I'm very like this one. That the one like this is Santa Claus right there. He's on the Christmas tree too. The one down there that you can't. Oh, right there. And a reindeer.
Give me some money.
And
Please. Thank you,
look at
Anna.
these ones. I got 2 stars. They fall down. Oh no, it broke! Oh my god, guys. It just broke.
Sige, bagayin mo din, Anna.
It won't go on. Let me just try to get this on. Oh, guys, it goes on very easily. Just push it on. It's easy. Just push. Done. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the Christmas tree. Do you think that's enough, Ultimate? Huh?
What is it?
You think that's enough,
Enough what?
Ultimate?
Ornaments?
Ah!
Ornaments.
Ultimate. And I'm back! Woo-hoo! I'm gonna put my stocking somewhere.
Mimi,
And I'm going to bring the
where are you gonna put it? Just here?
my. No, you'll put it like this. Oh no, you'll put it like this on front of Santa, like that.
Oh.
Awesome. Just try to help my mom. And this golden star. Oh, I love this one the most because look. Oh my god, just pretending it's there. Really top. And it actually breaks very easily, see? Just break. Abby, help me. Help me. Help me. Very easily too. Help! 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 Okay. Hold on. Okay.
Ding, 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 ding. Here's our Christmas tree.
Santa,
It's
Santa.
We're so messy here. Tingnan niyo, we'll clean it up. But the girls, they were having fun putting all the
Ornaments.
accessories. How do you call them na? Ornaments. Eh, ikaw lang ba? Ornaments.
More!
Lini, ornaments. Gisingot ko sa Lini, oy.
No! What's me?
But yeah, isa lang yung light na binili ni Daddy Mike. Ito lang. Pero sabi ni Daddy Mike, okay na yan. Kasi nga, diba, si Baby Celine, okay na yan sa taas lang yung lights. But yeah, this is the cutest. Look at this. See? Have this. Super nice. You got like the Santa Claus. And this one, it's the cutest as well. Para siyang regalo. Are you having fun, Lynn? Yes? May mga Christmas stockings pa sa Selena. Nilalagay niya dyan. Wow! Lynn, what would you like Santa to put in your Christmas stocking?
Oh my god! Ow! Ow!
Listen ba? I'm talking to Celine. Linny, what would you like Santa to put in your Christmas stocking? What would you like Santa to put here?
I know. I want candy cane.
What would you like?
Candy cane.
What would you like, Lynn?
Because I like candy cane.
Linny would say, dress. 1 shilling. Princess dress, Lynn?
Yes.
Yes.
Versus dress.
Princess dress, yeah.
Can you stand up? I think we'll bomb dress. Oh wait, no, with the
Which one?
bomb dress.
What color dress?
Purple.
Purple. Okay, I knew you were gonna say it.